Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'll be doing a collective haul from Gucci, Dior, and YSL. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So this first unboxing comes from Dior. When you open the box, it comes in this beautiful white and gold packaging. And inside this envelope is the receipt. It also comes with a little thank you card and the return label. It came in this white little shopping bag with the little star emblem that says Dior. It comes in this little box, and on top it says Dior. This is the Dior REVERVSE Scarf. And the beautiful flowers are the Chinese rose all throughout the scarf. It says Christian Dior on one end. And on the other side, it says Christian Dior with the black and pink contrasting colors. It is made of 100% silk and made in Italy. For this next item, I got this from HERMES.com from their US website. And as you can tell by the shape of the box, these are shoes from Saint Laurent. I got mine in the size 37, that is size 7 in the US. I bought mine from Harrods.com, and I was going over the price, and this was actually cheaper from UK. This was $4.20 plus $30 shipping, which is still cheaper compared to the $5.50 plus tax in the US. They come in individual dust bags. These are called the logo leather espadrilles, and it comes in a few colors. This one is in color black. On the front it says YSL, all black. On the sole it says Saint Laurent Paris. It is made of lambskin leather. And finally, the last unboxing comes from Gucci. It came in this big, beautiful shopping bag. Here's the receipt that it came with. And of course it came in the Gucci silk dust bag. And here it is. And this is the Gucci print small belt bag. It has the Gucci logo on the front. It is made of soft textured leather. And the strap is made of the green and red web with brass hardware. It has a plastic buckle closure. The strap is adjustable. And on the back, there are no pockets or compartments. It is made in Italy. The interior is one big compartment. There are no pockets on either side. The interior is made of cotton linen. Thank you guys for watching my collective haul. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.